आज हम एक ख़ूबसूरत सी नज़्म पढ़ेंगे और आखिर में देखेंगे कि इसमें कौन से जो अल्फाज हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा बार इस्तेमाल हुए हैं। तो ये नज़्म कुछ यूँ है चाँद सुनो कुछ बात करो, तेरी बात चले मेरी रात कटे। तुम बात करो उस बस्ती की, बादल बारिश और मस्ती की, या बात करो उस बंधन की, पायल चूड़ी और कंगन की, या बात करो उन सपनों की जिन्हें तुम भी सोचा करते हो। ए चाँद सुनो कुछ बात करो, तेरी बात चले मेरी रात कटे। Now the words that are repeated the most, या जो अल्फाज बार बार दोहराए गए हैं वो है बात और रात। बात, तो this is how we are going to form this word. The spellings of this word baat are be, alif, te, and it means in English talk or talking. Baat, baat. And the second word that is repeated the most is raat. Re, alif, te, re, alif, te. Raat is night. So these two words are repeated the most in this poem. Like we can see here it is. कुछ बात करो, तेरी बात चले मेरी रात कटे। तुम बात करो, and then again, या बात करो, या बात करो, कुछ बात करो, तेरी बात चले मेरी रात कटे. So the word baat and raat are repeated the most, and this poem means the poet is talking to the moon here and asking the moon to speak to him or to speak to her. This is a female who is asking the moon to speak to her, and she wants the moon to speak to her about her hometown and about clouds, rain and fun, and then about the jewelry she puts on in her feet, in her arms, and then she wants the moon to speak about her dreams, and then he wants the moon to speak about himself. And then again we see she's asking the moon to say something so that her night is spent good. Okay, so the words that we learned today is baat and raat. Baat means talk or talking, and raat means night. Okay, thank you. I hope this is useful.